Hi, I'm Christine Jovis with Canadian Underwriter Magazine and Claims Canada Magazine. Oh, this is a fantastic cruise. Great weather, great food, great people, meeting some old friends, and it's a wonderful day to get a chance to see everybody in the industry.
My name is Ian Henderson. I represent a company called Safety Express. This is the second time I've attended, and the food's always really good. It's a great day out, and you get to meet a lot of people and hear a lot of different stories, so it's always a very good event.
I'm Bob Farrell from Pinpoint GPS. We're here today at the Winmar event in support of Carrie's Place. It's been a grand event. I think everybody's had a super time.
Hi, I'm Vanita Jadger with the Bros Group of Companies. As a professional engineering firm, we believe that strong companies are forged by even stronger communities. The event was fantastic. Wonderful food, good friends, and an excellent time. The weather couldn't have been even more better. I believe that this will be an event that will be enjoyed by all for many years to come.
Hi, I'm Stephanie from Madeira Floors. Thank you guys for inviting us out here. It's a gorgeous day and we're having a lot of fun.
Hi, I'm Dave Machado. This is Jed Stammers and Mario Muscat. We're owners of Winmar Toronto Brampton. We're here for Carrie's Place and support a good cause. We're glad to be here.
It's Murray Serafinchin. I'm with Serafinchin Consulting Engineers. We're based in Toronto. Today's a great event. We're really pleased to be here. So pleased that the sponsors, Gilbertson, Davis, and Emerson, and Winmar put this together. And I think the real benefit, of course, is to the children that have autism.
Hi, I'm Mary from Jones Laurier Insurance Management Inc. We're very proud to sponsor Winmar's cruise for Carrie's Place, which is a worthwhile cause. We're very glad to have been part of this today.
My name is Mike. I'm a regional sales manager for Bradley Mechanical. Thank you for having us. Winmar did a great boat cruise this year. Bradley Mechanical since 1985 have been restoring, have a full mechanical company with HVAC, plumbing, heating, restoration. We've been servicing the GTA and beyond.
Pete Ferrante with Faro Canada. It's been a great opportunity. It's been fantastic to be able to support Winmar Toronto. It's always great to have an opportunity to work with companies that are as committed to customer service and excellence as these guys are. If anybody's looking to contact us, it's ferrocanada.com. That's F as in Frank, E-R-R-O, Canada, all one word. You can reach us by the phone at 905-763-0787.
Hey, my name is Nick. My company is Future Construction. Thank you for the opportunity to be here with you guys. Phenomenal food. Cruise is amazing. Our company does restoration. We work with Winmar for many years already and looking forward for more business with you, and thank you very much for the opportunity.
Hi, I'm Mindy Gelman from Avenue Interiors in Toronto. I represent Avenue Interiors with my husband Rick. We are retailers of floor, wall, and window fashions. I'm having such a great time on this wonderful cruise. It's a wonderful day, and it's an honor to support such a great cause.
My name is Mike from Connect Electric. We do residential, commercial, electrical work. Glad to be here today. We are having a great time out on the boat, enjoying ourselves.